What are the steps for success? Everyone wants to become successful in life. Who doesn't? It's absolutely possible to achieve success in life. However, it isn't easy. You will go through many obstacles, but you shouldn't give up. As per me, if you don't give up, you have crossed half of your journey to success. But what about the remaining path? In this blog, I have explained in detail the steps for success. So, let's get into the blog to know about the remaining path to success. Step 1. Fix a goal. As you all might know, fixing a goal is the first step to achieve success. But how many of us have set goals to achieve? Probably less than half. Of course, this isn't a good thing. If you want to achieve success, you should first set your goals to start working on the further steps. What's the use of putting in efforts when you don't know where to stop and what to achieve? So, regardless of whether you like it or not, fix a goal before starting your success journey. Step 2. Ensure the goals are realistic. Many people set unrealistic goals, and they complain that they aren't able to achieve them. We, the people traveling towards our success journey, should avoid this mistake. When you set unrealistic goals, you will be demotivated psychologically, as you didn't achieve your target. So, during the goal setting process, know where you stand and give yourself sufficient time to achieve your target. Step 3. Motivate yourself to achieve your goals. Once you set your goals, the next step is to motivate yourself to achieve them. Nowadays, developing the feeling of motivation is pretty easy. One of the easiest ways to do so is by listening to motivational speakers and reading motivational books. However, be noted that self-motivation is the best form of motivation. Many people tend to overlook motivation, which is wrong. Motivation is the force that drives you towards achieving your goals. So, if you lack the driving force to success, how can you become successful? Here's my suggestion to boost your motivation. Try surrounding yourself with motivated people. By doing so, when you go through difficult times, they will give you the necessary motivation to get out of it. Step 4. Stop procrastinating. We, humans, tend to procrastinate tasks. But, by doing so, whenever you see them, Step 5. Accept failures. As mentioned above, failures are next to inevitable in the journey to success. But, if you want to become successful, you should accept failures and, more importantly, learn from them. I'm pretty sure that your first failure in your journey to success. But, in this situation, you shouldn't lose hope, and you shouldn't give up. Handle the failures to the best of your ability, and when you undergo an issue that you aren't able to solve, seek help from experienced people. Step 6. Take risks. Last but not least, if you want to become successful, you have to take risks. There's a difference between the risks taken by successful and unsuccessful people. If a successful person finds that the risk he is about to take will benefit him, he will proceed with that risk. But, unsuccessful people don't know to differentiate between beneficial and harmful risks. This leads them to undergo risks that can collapse their entire life. So, before taking risks, you have to thoroughly analyze it and take it only if it's worth it. I hope you found this blog beneficial, and I hope you got a clear vision about the steps for success. As you all know, there isn't something called overnight success. Real success takes time to achieve. You might have put in a lot of effort, but you may not see significant results. This shouldn't make you give up because, who knows, when giving up, you can be so close to your goal. Also, when you give up, the entire effort you have put in will go down the drain. So, please, don't give up. Here is the last point I would like to mention before concluding this blog. Nowadays, I come across many people and even companies promoting scummy ways to make money. As you know, it takes time to build real success. So, make sure not to fall for the scam.